Hi, my name's David Hasfer, Senior Systems Engineer.
And I'm Becky Friedman, Voice Product Manager, and we're here to talk about the wireless phones from Cisco, 7925s and 8821s. The other thing we get asked a lot is, what kind of wireless network it would work on,
Right.
these phones would work on.
Yeah, that's usually the biggest challenge, especially trying to support remotely, is that these really need a strong wireless network. So a lot of times we recommend that customers have a dedicated SSID that the phones connect to that have high QoS. You can lock it down with different types of authentication. You can do the 801.11x, or you can even do WEP or just something so that SSID is not public access, but then also is dedicated directly for the phones to maximize that quality. And then also on top of that, with the wireless networks, you get into the basic standards of ABG, NAC. The 8821 supports all that and the G and AC, where the 7925 actually only supported AB and G.
That's a lot of letters.
I know it is a lot of letters, but you know what? Anybody that's watching this that knows the networks a little bit, wireless networks, they'll be able to sort out the differences between the two. But the other thing too is with phones is that you absolutely can't have any drop packets. So your wireless access points have to be really strong, overlapping, and have high redundancy to make sure that phone calls aren't dropped.
So yeah, you couldn't just go buy one of these phones and have it work if you don't have the access points and
Exactly. Yeah, you definitely have to have a strong wireless network in place, and not just at data speeds, but at phone quality speeds. So there's different levels of surveys that vendors like ourselves can do, where we can go through and do a phone level survey versus a data level survey from a wireless network perspective.
So can they use any type of access points? Is there certain manufacturers they can use, or?
Sure, absolutely. So, I mean, Cisco phones are going to work best on Cisco and Meraki wireless access points. It's designed to work on those. But, it's not to say that it can't work on other, I would say, commercial grade wireless. So if you have just wireless access point and Netgear from Best Buy, that might not be the best solution. But if you have a commercial grade wireless solution, I would think that these would work on it. Thanks for watching our video on the Cisco 7925 and 8821 wireless phones.
We can help with these models by buying and selling them. I'm Becky.
I'm David.
And this is TecTips.